It's Monday morning and a rep messages you. An entire segment of contacts is gone. Somebody cleaned up a list on Friday and deleted the records underneath it. Before anyone starts rebuilding from spreadsheet exports, here's the thing most teams don't know. In HubSpot, delete doesn't mean gone. It means archived for 90 days. The records are sitting in a recycle bin your searches can't see. Today I'll show you how to find them, figure out exactly what was lost, and restore it in bulk. But the clock is real, so let's move. First, the mental model. A HubSpot record has 3 states, not 2. Active is normal life. When someone deletes it, it moves to archived, a 90-day holding state where the record still exists with its properties, but is hidden from the UI and from default API behavior. After 90 days, or if someone uses a GDPR permanent delete, it's purged, and no admin trick on this channel brings it back. Everything we do today happens in that middle box, and everything about the middle box is designed to be invisible, which brings us to the trap. Here's why everyone concludes the records are gone. Every normal way of looking at HubSpot, the UI, saved views, lists, workflows, and critically, the search API, operates on active records only. The search endpoint doesn't even accept an archive parameter. It simply cannot see the recycle bin. The basic list and read endpoints can, but only if you pass archived equals true explicitly. So when someone says, "We searched everywhere," what they searched was the active universe. The archived universe requires you to ask for it by name. Step 1. Query the archive. Since the search API is off the table, you paginate the plain list endpoint with archived equals true. Every record comes back with an archived at timestamp, the moment it was deleted. That timestamp is your best friend for the next step, because a portal's recycle bin accumulates years of legitimate deletions, and you only want to restore Friday's accident. Not every contact anyone has ever cleaned up on purpose. Step 2. Scope the blast radius before you restore anything. Filter the archive to the incident window. Here, everything archived Friday between 4:12 and 4:15. That tight cluster of timestamps is the signature of a bulk delete. It is effectively a fingerprint of the accident. Everything in the window goes on the restore list. But look at row 4, a test account archived back in March. That deletion was on purpose. Restore by the incident window, not by restore everything, or you'll resurrect every piece of junk the team ever cleaned out, and they cleaned it out for a reason. Step 3. The restore itself is almost anticlimactic. Batch unarchive, 100 IDs at a time. The part that isn't optional is verification. After the restore, reread every ID from the active universe, no archive flag, and confirm each one actually came back. Batch endpoints can partially succeed, and a restore where 97% came back is a restore where 3% is still missing and nobody knows which 3%. Write the audit file, ID, email, outcome. That file is what you send to the rep who reported it. And it turns, "I think we fixed it," into "here's exactly what was recovered." Now, honest limitations, a restore is not a time machine. Static list memberships don't reassemble themselves. If the deleted contacts were on curated lists, you're re-adding them from your audit file. Workflow enrollments don't resume. Anyone who was mid-sequence fell out of it. Association edges mostly survive, but check the custom ones rather than assuming. And the hard limits, past 90 days, or after a privacy-based permanent delete, there is no archive to query. Which is why the real lesson of this incident is to schedule an export or backup before every bulk delete. Future you will need it exactly once, and it'll be worth it. The playbook, start to finish. Query the archive explicitly, scope the damage by the archived at incident window, batch restore only that window, then verify every record from the active side, and write the audit. It works the same for companies and deals, same archive, same endpoints, same 90-day clock. Save the script now, before you need it at 4 o'clock on a Friday. That's the recovery. The next time someone says the contacts are gone, you've got 90 days in a script that says otherwise. Subscribe if you want one working HubSpot admin fix like this every week. Real portal problems, real production fixes. And if you've got an incident bigger than a video, the booking link in the description gets you straight onto my calendar. See you in the next one.